Every drop of this honey started inside a single beehive.
This factory turns millions of bees' work into jars of pure honey every single day.
Let me show you exactly how honey goes from the hive to your table.
It all begins here, in the quiet of the apiary.
Each frame is checked carefully before it's ever removed. This golden comb is where the bees have stored their honey.
Only full, ripe frames are collected for harvest.
From the hive, the honeycomb travels straight to the factory. Within hours, it arrives fresh for processing. Every crate is logged the moment it arrives. Before anything enters the factory floor, it has to pass inspection. Only fully capped, ripe honeycomb moves forward.
Once approved, the honeycomb begins its journey through the factory.
Before extraction, the wax seal covering each cell must be removed.
Beneath the wax, the honey is finally exposed.
Now it's ready to have the honey spun free.
The frames are loaded into a spinning extractor.
Spinning force pulls the honey straight out of the comb.
The comb stays intact. Dead, only the honey is released.
This is the honey's first moment as a liquid on its own.
A first strain removes any leftover bits of wax.
A finer filter leaves the honey smooth and clean.
What's left is pure honey, almost ready for the jar.
Now the honey rests, allowing tiny air bubbles to rise to the top.
This foam is skimmed away, leaving the honey perfectly clear.
Patience here makes all the difference in clarity.
A gentle warming helps prevent crystallization later on.
The heat is kept low, just enough to protect the honey's natural qualities. Now it's ready for one final polish. A final fine filter leaves the honey silky smooth. This is honey almost exactly as you'll see it in the jar. Every batch is tested in the lab before it's approved. Moisture and purity levels have to meet an exact standard. Only honey that passes every test moves on to bottling. Batches are gently blended to keep the flavor consistent. This way, every jar tastes just like the last.
Finished honey rests here until it's needed.
Every tank is monitored constantly to to keep the honey at its best.
Now the honey is ready to meet its jar.
Each jar is filled to the exact same level, every time. Row after row, every jar holds the same quality.
A sensor checks every single jar before it moves forward. A secure lid locks in the honey's freshness.
Every label is applied with perfect alignment.
Now it looks just like the jar you'd find on the shelf.
This tiny code traces the jar back to the exact harvest. One last check before it's ready to ship.
The jars are boxed and sealed for their journey ahead.
Stacked and wrapped, ready for the warehouse.
From a single hive to this jar, that's how honey is made.